If you want to reach 100,000 points fast in Block Blast, there is one key strategy that most players don't take advantage of, and it's this: clearing the entire board. Yes, exactly that. In Block Blast, when you place the blocks in a way that everything clears and the board becomes completely empty, the game rewards you with a huge bonus. You're not just earning points for clearing lines, you also receive extra bonus points for leaving the board totally empty. And that bonus is the secret to reaching 100,000 much faster. So how do you apply this strategy? First, stop playing just to clear small lines. Instead, start placing blocks with the final goal in mind. Your objective is not to clear randomly. Your objective is to prepare the board for a full reset. You need to distribute the blocks evenly. Avoid leaving small gaps or awkward empty spaces that are hard to fill later. Try to keep the surface as balanced and flat as possible. When the board is almost full but well organized, begin closing rows and columns strategically. The idea is that when you place one key piece, multiple lines clear at the same time. If done correctly, all the blocks disappear and the board becomes completely empty. When that happens, the game gives you a large score bonus. If you repeat this strategy multiple times in one game, you'll notice your score increasing much faster than normal gameplay. The key is patience. Don't rush your moves. Always ask yourself, does this move bring me closer to clearing the entire board? If the answer is no, it might not be the best move. The more times you completely clear the board, the faster you'll reach 100,000 points. And that's the real strategy to level up fast in Block Blast in 2026. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more game strategies. See you in the next video.